Stop clicking and start talking. Windows 11 just got a major update that lets you summon your AI assistant, Copilot, with just your voice, officially ushering us into the hands-free AI PC era. Imagine your PC is now your most efficient, slightly passive-aggressive coworker that you can literally call by name. Guess what? Now you can. Just say, "Hey Copilot." This isn't just a cool gimmick. It's a productivity multiplier. Think about the friction of constantly switching between typing, mousing, and thinking. This is like upgrading your workflow from a clunky landline phone to a seamless, always listening smartphone. Before, you had to stop what you were doing to type a command. Now you just shout across the room for help. Use it to verbally brainstorm for ideas, search for info while you're mid-task, or even use its Copilot Vision feature to get step-by-step visual guidance for troubleshooting a tricky installation. It's your new virtual IT coach. But be warned, Copilot is not omniscient. While it can handle conversational magic, if you ask it to read that highly confidential PDF deep in your super-secret tax docs folder using only your voice, it will give you the digital equivalent of a shrug. Why? Because voice mode can't search and read local files. Yet. Pro tip. For those deep document dives, you'll need to open the app and switch to text mode. The ability to simply say, "Hey Copilot," turns Windows 11 into a truly conversational AI assistant, accelerating your daily tasks by reducing the clicks between thought and action. Have you tried out this voice activation feature yet? What do you think about it? How will you use it? Let me know in the comments. As usual, remember to like and follow for more AI news updates, and I will see you in the next one.